Almost got it. Look at the Thomas train. Where's Minnie Mouse? Look at the Angry Birds, Will. Right there, up there, Angry Birds. Come on, let's go this way. Let's go inside the office. It's locked. It's dark in there. Go inside. Shoes are glowing. All the lights are on. You're in Daddy's office, Willie. You like it? We have a mini fridge, Keurig coffee machine, computer. Oh, look, a picture of Willy. Wanna sit in the chair? Willy doing a little bit of work? Oh, let's see what we got. We got a basketball. You want to throw it in the hoop over there? It's close. Oops. You can't reach it. Yeah, it's too high. It's like this. It's like this. Oh, I missed it too. See? Even tall people can't reach it, Will. It's closer. You got closer than I did. Can you solve the Rubik's Cube? Let's see. Almost got it.
I did it.
Oh yeah, you did. There's a yellow side, a pink side, and the blue side. You did it, Willie. You're pretty smart. You're pretty smart. Okay, Willie, you have the Detroit Tigers Lego starter set.
Whoa.
You ready to build some baseball players?
Yes.
Let's open it. Ton of little pieces, but we'll put some of the baseball players together so you can see them, okay?
Let's build this.
Yeah, let's open it. So we got the field built. We just gotta put these little baseball players together. Really nice baseball. So we finished building the little Lego set. There's the batter. There's the pitcher with the ball and a mitt.
Oh no!
There's this guy. We forgot his hat. Let's get his hat.
Go.
Now it's complete. We got the pitcher with the ball, the catcher. Oh, you dropped this baseball bat? Yay, home run, Willie. Home run. Willie has a Darth Vader notebook, Star Wars Battlefront, with Darth Vader on the front by Sony PlayStation. And he has a giant number 2 pencil.
Whoa. Wow.
Whoa, that's the biggest pencil ever, Willie. You want to draw on the Lakers or the Dodgers book too? Check out the little helmet. Does that fit your head? Almost.
No.
It's too small, Willy. I'm sorry.
Piece.
It's not gonna fit. Uh-oh. Look at this, Willy. Oh, the Office Space stapler. You want a staple? Let me show you how to teach you how to staple, okay? This is what you do. Stick this in here. Stick it in there. Squeeze it. Wait. Go. Squeeze. Wait. Close. You're close. Like this. Let's do it like this. Okay. Slam it. Hulk smash. Harder.
Oh, wait.
Oh, look. You did it. You got a staple in there. Wow. Good job. High five. Yes. We have a glass PlayStation controller. How cool is that, Willy? It's cool?
Play it backwards. Uh-oh. Backwards.
What's backwards?
Backwards here.
Alright, Willy. Let's play some Connect 4. My turn.
Oh, what number?
Can't beat me. Oh, you're pretty good at this.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, you did it. Oh, yeah, you did it.
Oh, you won! You beat me! You got 4 blacks in a row. Game's over. You don't have to keep going.
Oh, man, we're going down once.
Okay, go that one.
This way. Man.
The game still goes. Even though you won, the game continues.
Whoa.
You're really good at this. You're gonna get Connect 5 or 6.
What's this one? Oh, it's one there. It's one there. That one. Right there.
Where? Should write down the score. Willy 1, Daddy 0. I have a very sharp cactus, Willy, and Willy's gonna water it for me. Be careful, it's sharp, but it needs water. Good job. Thank you, Willy. What is that? It's a squishy?
Look.
Oh, you have a Sesame Street lunchbox. That's cool. This is a cool soccer ball.
Sammy.
PlayStation Latin America soccer ball. What's inside your lunchbox?
Sour candy.
Open it. Let's see. Right there. Oh, a granola bar. A Nature Valley granola bar. That's a healthy snack. Oh, let me see what you're wearing. Is that a Pac-Man necklace?
Huh?
That's cool.
Yay.
That's the coolest thing ever, Willy.
There you go. There you go.
Wow.
Yeah. What opens?
You have the coolest stuff.
What opens? What opens?
Say please subscribe.
Great.
Bye everybody.
That I
Say please subscribe.
Great.
Bye.
Right. Great.